In this video, I will be going to show you how to use glitch effect. But before that, what is glitch effect? A glitch, to use a technical term, is the anticipated outcome of a failure, most frequently affecting digital artifacts like software, video games, photos, videos, and audio. The first one here is I wanted to play repeatedly the video or the short video, or shall we say loop the video, because in this part I like the sound. So in order to do that, you have to import a video and drag it here, and then simply cut a small area or section of the video, something like this. You can do multiple clips. For me, I just want to make it easier. So once you're done with that, you have to delete every other frame like this. Okay, so you have to delete this part. And then after that, you have to move this frame and should fill in those spaces. Okay, so just follow what I am doing right now. Okay, so the result is like this. Well, it would be better if there's a music. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, the second effect is what we call stutter back glitch effect. So all you have to do is just simply drag the part where you want to repeatedly, like the first one here, repeatedly play the video. But in this part, you just have to select a short clip, a very short area, short frame in which you want to play it again and again. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply cut that area and then put it up. And then after that, you just have to select the part where you want to copy and paste or do multiple frames. In short, if you want to highlight the sound and the video like this, you can do this method, okay? Just copy and paste that part. So let's just say, for example, that's the highlight of the video. So you wanted to loop that, repeat that, same as with you want to highlight the sound also or the music background. So you can do this effect. So the last we have here is what we call the time starter effect. Actually, it's the same, a little bit similar with the first and the second one. As what I have mentioned, the meaning of glitch is the unexpected result of a malfunction, especially occurring in video, images, or other digital artifacts. So this one is very similar. All you have to do is just simply choose a part of the video that you want to be stuttering. You have to make a copy of that part. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just simply cut and then paste it. So, but of course, you have to move this remaining or other video on the other side so that you can paste multiple clips, just like what I'm doing right now. So let's just say the music is so beautiful in this part and you want the video to be stuttering, or you want to highlight a glitch. So this is the result. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.